What's up, guys, and happy birthday, America. I've got good news and I've got great news. Good news is we're doing a 4th of July sale. More on that in a minute. The great news is we've upgraded our website, so it's faster, stronger, more pow, baby. So let's go upstairs to our desk and check it out. All right, so the new website, it looks pretty much the same. However, it is way better and way faster on the back end. Up top, there are a few differences. We have a Supra tab, and then we have an FRS BRZ and 86 tab. But probably the best part of the update is the search, the live search. It's so fast. So let's type in coilover, and it automatically starts searching as soon as you start typing. You don't even have to hit enter. Then you can keep typing. Let's go to Tane. You can either filter by continuing to type more keywords, or you can scroll down on the brand that you want. So let's go with Tanes. Let's do some street basis coilovers. Over by the price here, you see that it's in stock. That's the same, but under it, it says ships within 24 hours. So now you're getting like live ETAs. Also, if it was like earlier in the day, before like shipping times kind of ended, it would say if you order within like the next 3 hours, it'll ship within 24 hours. So lower down in the tab, we have a new tab called Fitment. You click on that, it shows you all the different makes and models and years that these coilovers will fit. So this is a coilover system that's going to fit on all years, but it has them all listed here for FRS BRZ 86, all the years, the premiums, the base model, the limited, even special editions like the Hyper Blue series. All that's going to be listed down there, so that's going to make it super easy for someone who doesn't know exactly if this specific thing is going to fit for their model. Now we have it broken down for you. Now to show you what something looks out of stock, let's type in air filter. Let's do the HKS one, because this sold out pretty soon after I made the how to change your cabin air filter video. So this shows out of stock, where before it might have said like ship from factory, so you didn't know if it was going to ship in a week or ship in like a month. Put this in your account now, it would ship out next week, and I'll show you how you can see current ETAs. Now, if we get a view card, this is where you can add your discount codes, or you can also go to checkout. There's another box for it right here. So we're gonna put in code USA10, because that's gonna save you 10% off from the 4th of July sale. I'm gonna put in some fake credit card numbers, because I don't want you to know my real one. Now over here on the left, under shipping options, we show that 2 items are gonna ship within 24 hours. Awesome, but underneath that, the back ordered HKS cabin air filter that we knew was out of stock, but we added anyways, that's gonna show us an ETA of Friday, July 10th. So that's pretty cool. There's a new feature that we haven't yet been able to give you, like an instant ETA. You'd usually have to email us, then we email you back, but now you just add it to your card and the website will tell you instantly. So that's really, really awesome. That's gonna speed up a lot of processes. It's gonna be more transparent for you guys ordering parts to know when exactly you're going to get them. Now, the code USA10 is gonna save you 10% off. Of course, there are some exclusions that do apply, because not all manufacturers will let us discount their products. So it's not our fault, it's the manufacturer's fault, so don't blame us. This sale is gonna start right now and go until Monday, July 6th. So you've got all weekend plus Monday to save. Remember code USA10, and we got the news website, so go check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.